I'm on my way to my mom's house and I always leave my mascara in the car. So I always have to leave my house like halfway undone and then finish my makeup in the car. Like not while I'm driving, but while I'm standing at a light, which sucks. So I have the Fenty Beauty in my makeup bag at home, but I don't prefer it. I really do prefer the Huda Beauty mascara. This is the One Coat Wow. It is so good. So I have no mascara on. I'm gonna show you guys the before and after. I'm gonna do this here. I usually just do one coat. Yes, this is a tutorial. I just hold my lid up and I just brush it all the way from the root all the way up. And I just make sure every single hair is coated. And then once it's coated, I like to do the top tips. Make sure the tips are coated. And that is pretty much it. That is mascara. See how good it looks? And then sometimes I'll like pull out the lashes from the edges. But it is so good. I'm gonna do my bottom lashes too. I'm at a red light, by the way. Okay. Other eye. So yeah, I'm headed to my mom's house. What is new? Literally nothing is new. My lease is up in a month here. And I am really considering moving back towards Sugarland, towards my parents' house, because I just go there so often. Like, it really doesn't make sense for me to be in the city as much as I want to be here. Like, I have so much fun here, but like my community, my family, my friends, my cousins are like in Sugarland. So I'm constantly going back, and for reference, Sugarland is just like a suburb in Houston. It's not really, it really isn't a far commute. It's like 35 to 40 minutes depending on the time of the day, but it's just that I'm constantly there. So it kind of just defeats the purpose of having a place in the city. But with all that being said, honestly, I don't even know how many of you guys are going to care about this, but I'm going to quickly say this and then turn off the clip. In Sugarland, there really aren't a whole lot of apartments. There are like 3 new apartments, but they're all like really cookie cutter, and I don't know. Living in a luxury high rise, I just cannot go into a normal apartment anymore. I know that probably sounds so bougie, but they're just like really old style, and it's just not worth the money when I can just live at my parents' house for free. So anyways, I was on the hunt for a home for a really long time. I've been looking for like 6+ months now. I found some beautiful homes that I really had my heart set on, but it just didn't make sense. And so yeah, I dropped the idea of buying a home for the time being. I can always buy a home. I don't feel like I need to rush that. So yeah, I'm looking for another apartment, but I'm also open to the idea of just like moving back with my parents, since I'm just there all the time. It just makes sense, and I'm okay with that. Anyways, I'll see you guys at my parents' house. Oh, having her first Charlotte. Yeah, one more than you're out, okay? It's avocado and mango mashed toast. Start counting. 1. And now she's gonna lick the mango. Hi, Mama. You like it? Hello. I'm trying to get her to scream. The boys are playing basketball, that's why it's so loud. Oh, that's wow. I'm in my room upstairs. I actually came up here to pray. Then I figured I'll show you guys my fit, even though it is literally the same outfit that I was wearing in my last vlog. But I guess it proves a point that I do live in this set all summer long. I know some people think it's like too thick for summer because it's a polyester, but honestly it's lightweight because I don't have to layer. Like with my other outfits, even if it's cotton or linen, like I have to wear a tank top underneath, leggings, but this is just like a no-brainer outfit. Throw it on, feel cute, I'm covered, I'm trendy, you know. I'm gonna link it down below. I did size up and I got a size medium, so definitely just keep that in mind. If you want a more modest, looser fit, just size up one size. But yeah, I just went through my closet and I was cleaning up and I found a couple of my stuff that I left here. These pants that I've been raving about, these cotton and linen pants, I left them here last week, and wallahi, I kid you not, all week I was thinking like, where are those pants? Like every time I wanted to go out, I wanted to wear these pants. I'm like, oh, where are they? So I found them here at my mom's. Honestly, I thought this was a hijab undercap because it was packed up like this, and I'm like, what is this? Open it up, it's one of those little mini skirts. If you guys remember not last summer, maybe 4 summers ago in 2020, I shared a modest summer hack, and I shared these little mini skirts. Let me show you guys. So essentially, you wear this little slip underneath your tops, and you layer a top over top of it. So if your shirt is too short, this just elongates it. Imagine this top was shorter and I wanted it a bit longer. I would wear this cute little skirt underneath it, and the shirt would just be longer and more modest. Isn't that so cute? Honestly, I was wearing this little mini skirt underneath all of my workout tops because y'all know workout tops are hard to find that are loose and long and modest. So I used this hack all summer long and I just was reminded of them. They also come in different material, like a jersey or cotton material. So if you're looking for like a heather gray to go underneath workout tops, there is one. I'll link these down below. We're on our way to play badminton. Badminton.
Don't say it slow, because that's what you...
Badminton.
No, I think the T you pronounce it.
Badminton.
That's it. Badminton.
Anyways, we've been trying to go to this place since the storm or the hurricane in Houston. So we actually booked on Tuesday, the day after the storm, thinking they would be open, and they weren't. So now we have a credit that we've been trying to use.
Yeah, basically.
And I have a full face of makeup on because, you know, I was hanging out. I wasn't expecting to come here.
Oh, it's open hours in the gym with some papers.
It's hitting. Anyways, everyone always asks me where I get my tops from. Old Navy. Go.
You know, the trick is their shirts are long already, but then you select tall.
Oh,
and
yeah.
then it's longer, and then I do a medium, so it's even more long and like loose.
Yeah, so when you shop on Old Navy, shop the tall collection, and then I actually go for extra large or large.
No,
and it's
because then
so
the
loose.
neckline is too loose, and then your neck
Yeah.
is not covered. Unless you can go get it like hemmed or whatever.
The neck
like,
does become lower.
Yeah, so then, and then the arms also really big. Like I want it to be hijabi, but like not hijabi. You know what I mean? Like
Just
a little bit. But if that's what you think, then
get the extra large.
tall, whatever. Do what you guys.
Do extra large. If you're like me, extra Muslim, extra modest, and then do extra large.
Yeah.
And if you just want a little bit overfitted, then do the medium.
I'll show you guys my outfit. It's all over me.
I'll show you mine too. You guys are in Houston. Come check out this place. Not sponsored. This is Sana's outfit that she was raving about.
Yeah. Look how long the shirt is.
Yeah, the shirt is long.
Matching brown tights.
The tights are a little bit tight, but you know,
Yeah,
you get the point. There's my fit. Loose top and loose joggers. Hi. Here's our friend. Yeah, with them. Just lost a game, so I got kicked out, and they're playing. Damn. Who's gonna win? Yeah. Oh my god, whoever loses this one. Oh my god! Okay, I'm in my friend's at-home salon. Is that what we should call this? At-home salon. This is for all of my hijabi girlies who just need a space to do their hair, eyebrows, makeup. What else do you do? This is not sponsored. I'm just here getting my eyebrows tinted today, so I thought I would share with you guys the experience. What else do you do? What other services can people expect? Just eyebrows. Oh, just eyebrows? Just eyebrows. Oh, I thought you do more. Eyebrows and makeup. Eyebrows, makeup, threading, waxing. I just got my arms done pretty yesterday. Here's the before. Eyebrows are pretty dark, but I do have like little spots that are missing here.
So this is just a tint. We're gonna leave it on for 2 minutes.
What color?
I did like a saffron. But we're not gonna leave it on for 2 minutes. It's effective like fullness.
Is this
Putting them in, it lasts about 2 to 3 weeks.
It lasts for 2 to 3 weeks. They look so dark already.
That's all it's like.
Oh my god, this looks like creepy dark.
That's all it's like.
Oh. Ooh, looks so good. You literally wiped off my foundation and blush. But wow.
It's great. Do you see the difference?
Yeah. It just looks like my eyebrows are filled in. I am about to get in the shower, change, pray, and then get in bed. Tomorrow morning, I really want to try out this new coffee shop that opened up here in Houston. It's called Just Falafel. It's not a coffee shop, it's a vegan restaurant, but they sell amazing coffee apparently. My friend's brother owns it and she was raving about the coffee. So I'm gonna go there tomorrow morning. I also want to head to the farmer's market, so I'm gonna do that. And let me see, what else do I want me to do this? Guys, I am so annoyed because my freaking phone ran out of storage, so I deleted all the apps off my phone. So I don't even have like the basics. Well, I re-downloaded it all this morning, but for the last day I didn't have Instagram on my phone. I didn't have even like the mail app, like I couldn't check my mail. I didn't have, what else? Oh, Google Maps. Like all of my essential apps that I use on a daily basis, I just ended up deleting because I didn't have storage. So what I ended up doing was downloading Google Photos. I like bought storage on Google Photos, transferred all my photos onto there, and then I deleted all my photos off my phone, so I don't have anything on my phone, and now I have storage. So I re-downloaded like YouTube. Oh, I also deleted YouTube. Literally I had like 3 apps on my phone yesterday, so I'm so grateful to have my phone back and working again. But yeah, I re-downloaded YouTube, Instagram, the mail app, Google Maps, and I'm just like resyncing everything now, which is a little bit annoying, but whatever. So also, I know you guys probably saw that in the back. That is from the Eid party that I threw. It's a custom shelf that we got made, and we put little goodies on there for people to take home. My sister said she wanted that because she wanted it for some other party she was gonna have, and she's like, keep it, make sure you don't throw it away. And I've been holding it on for her. I've been holding on to it for months now, and she decided, like, yeah, actually I don't want that anymore. And I'm like, really? Literally, it's been sitting in my room for 2-3 months now. So yeah, at this point I'm just waiting to load it up in a truck and take it back to my parents' house, because hopefully in the future I can have a party and use it. So anyways, I am about to shower and go to bed. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Let me know what you guys want to see in my next video. I'm thinking to do a night routine, which would be fun, or I can do a morning routine, but let me know what you guys are interested in. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!